Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam Svatoshayamasa Pitrenathing Javata Gramai Manoramai Kami Prasideta Dathavat. So, after seeing the omen, he was meditating always 24 hours about the subject, lusty desire. Kamastasya hitagyana. When one becomes lusty, then one becomes lost of all intelligence. The whole world is going on the basis of this lusty desires. This is material world. And because I am lusty, you are lusty, every one of us, so as soon as my desires are not fulfilled, your desires are not fulfilled, then I become your enemy, you become my enemy. I cannot see you are making very good progress, you cannot see me making very good progress. This is material. Envy, lusty desires, Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moha, Matsarya. This is the basis of this material world. So he became, the training was that you are training to become a Brahmana, Samagama, but the progress became checked on account of being attached to a woman. Therefore, according to Vedic civilization, the woman is accepted as hindrance to spiritual advancement. The whole basic civilization is how to avoid the woman. You do not think that only woman is woman, the man is also woman. Don't think that the woman is condemned, the man is not. Woman means enjoyer and man means enjoyer. So this feeling, this feeling is condemned. If I see one woman for enjoyment, so I am man, and if woman also sees another man for enjoyment, she is also man. When woman means enjoyer and man means enjoyer. So anyone who has got feeling of enjoyment, he is considered to be man. So here both sexes meant for. Everyone is planning how I shall enjoy. Therefore he is Purusha. Artificial. Otherwise, originally we are all Prakriti, Jiva, either woman or man. This is outward dress. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,